If you want to prosper in your life, if you want to become more successful, then learn the art of selling. People always say that I don't want to sell. We cannot sell. But without selling, nothing happens. See, when a baby cries, it means he is hungry. When a man proposing a lady, what is he doing? Selling. A lawyer is arguing in the court for his client. What is he doing? Selling. A person appearing in the job interview, what he is saying? I can do this, I can do that, I can do everything. He is also selling. So, we are always selling in our life, and we will sell till the last moment of our life. Have you ever noticed all big companies are selling? If you own a business, you are selling. If you are working somewhere, you are also selling. If you are a professional, you are not doing a different thing. So, first eliminate the fear from your mind of selling, as you are already selling in your daily life. So, if you want to prosper in life, then learn the art of selling. See, only the salesperson can write their own paycheck. Rest persons wait for the company to decide when they will get raised in salary. So, it is a smart option to choose sales profession in life. If you are an insurance agent, then why do you sell insurance? Simply, people need insurance. If you are selling soap, then think that people buy soaps. So think about that someone is selling the products and making the profit of your every purchase. So selling can provide you a huge opportunity in life. So learn how to sell. I don't think that people don't want to do better in life or people are lazy. I believe everybody wants to live in a better way. People may have tried so hard for a long time and they give up. Yes, they give up after a certain time. Then all dreams become nightmare to them. So in your early days of your career, you should learn this art. Now, your attitude makes a big difference when you sell something. Don't show your client that only you are making profit out of that sale. Rather, he or she is also getting benefited by purchasing the products or services from you. It should be win-win situation. Remember, if you don't have a big client list, then you won't be able to maintain your attitude or your posture. Now, when you make a phone call or book any appointment with your clients, then you should follow a written script. So first, make a script. This will make you more confident when you deal with your clients. Remember, success is a planned event and you should not expect sale closure from your every effort. Secondly, you should have enough knowledge about your products or services that you are going to sell or provide to your clients. And your clients should believe that you will provide them some after-sale services if it is required. For that, you should develop a good relationship with your clients. How do you build good relationship with your clients? Try to listen to your clients. What is there in their mind? Then you will easily understand the need of your client. Then try to fill the need. Sale is done. So what is selling? Finding the need of your customers and fill the need of your clients. So, if you have a big dream, then try to work hard and don't afraid to sell.
Hi, myself Sujay Chaudhary. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then please subscribe here and turn on the notification. If you turn on the notification, then whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. Cheers.